This Clinique gift set at Macy's is a perfect gift for any lady in your life, including you. Can you believe I bought this gift set for only $25? It includes 5 perfectly shaded lipsticks that you can use any day of the week. Check it out. You see, first of all, Fridays are my film days, which means I need to be camera ready. So before I hit record, I make sure to spruce up my lip look with the shade Plum Pop. This shade is a good fit because it adds brightness to my face, ensuring that my face doesn't get washed out behind these bright lights. On Saturday night, I love to go out to dinner with my girlfriends, and we like to do it in style. Using 3 different shades from this amazing lip set, we each found a color that fits us to the T. That's just one more thing I love about this set. These lipsticks make great gifts. On Sunday afternoon, I head out of the house and get groceries for the family. Imagine shopping for a family of 8. It's a lot of work, but I do it in style by making sure I add a tiny bit of glamour for my Sunday afternoon grocery run by using the shade Nude Pop. And finally, during these COVID months, I've been keeping up with my family and loved ones through video calls as we practice social distancing. And let me be the first to say, that doesn't stop me from looking fly. Well, at least I try. I throw a little lipstick on in the shade Papaya Pop right before the video call to look and feel my best. Well, friends, this is how I use my lipstick set from Clinique. So how will you use your lipstick set?